Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Happy birthday, Sharon.
Happy birthday. And for the first time, we are not gonna give Sharon the mic.
Yeah, and for the first time, we can talk freely, without
At
her
last.
butting in. She keeps
At
on
last.
butting in pa naman.
Actually, between me and Dina, nakakalito na dahil pareho kami madagdal. What more kung nandyan pa si Sharon? Kaya ngayon, hindi namin bibigyan ng microphone. Kami
Yeah.
ngayon ang mag-aatake sa kanya.
That's true.
She has nothing to say now.
For once.
That is our birthday gift for her.
What's the
Okay.
fastest way ba to make Sharon talk?
Fastest way to make her
Yeah.
talk when she's in a
Talagang
bad
to make
mood.
her blurt out.
Well, right now, she's trying to control it really
When we
hard.
talk about
When we talk about
When we
what?
talk about Japanese things. Kasi she believes
Siya.
that if she were born again or reincarnated, she could be a Japanese girl. Di ba she has this collection? She has her Japan room in her house.
Right.
Where she collects her Patty and Jimmy, her Hello Kitty, her My Melody, mga
Anything
Sanrio, all her ball pens, her pencils and erasers.
And her high-tech, when she comes to shooting with her high-tech,
Yeah, with her high-tech
maleta,
portfolio maleta.
that says Patty and Jimmy.
Yeah.
Parang walang asawa, parang walang anak. You know that all the pink things she buys, I thought, ay, how nice, you're gonna buy that for Casey. No, that's for me, Cherie.
That's for her. You wouldn't believe she collects all those things.
Nagko-contest
her
sila ni
collection
Casey.
pa. What makes her really mad, di ba?
You steal all those things, she'll get mad
Yeah,
at
if
you.
you try to make kalikot her little maleta and get her all her collection ng mga colognes.
Her baby cologne.
All her baby colognes, her Lenoco, her
Take note,
Delenes,
baby colognes, ha?
her baby colognes. I don't know, Sharon, are you
She
growing up or
thinks.
what? Or
She
regressing?
thinks. She thinks she's still a
things.
baby.
Pencils, erasers,
Actually, she's
stationery.
51 already. But,
Ngayon, pati colognes, talagang baby. And then when you scold her, what does she do? Show us your adaptable face. Come on.
the wawa face we call. Close up, please.
See?
Yan.
Paano naman kaming hindi
Hindi magdadala.
maaawa dyan pag pinapagalitan? Talagang no choice, but sige na nga. Pagbigyan na nga to. Para ba
Mas
kasi
mukha pa siya baby kaysa kay Casey eh.
talagang adaptable face. And what makes Sharon pa act like a baby? When she makes a mistake, what does she do?
Bistado na.
Oh, Sharon, sabi ko sa'yo gantong gagawin mo. Bakit mo nang ginawa mo? That's what she does. That's true, Sabi ko sa'yo, I don't know if Sharon's growing up or regressing. Talagang ang baby ng barkada.
Actually, she always puts us in embarrassing situations. Eh, paano naman pag may makasama ka sa shooting ng Manny Castañeda,
Yeah.
who sings songs like
Oo.
things we innocent people are not supposed to hear, ganyan, she tries to copy. Without knowing kung anong ibig sabihin ng mga sinasabi ni Manny,
Yeah.
in front of so many people.
In front of what? 200 fans? Bigla na lang she spilled the beans just like that. Tapos kami ni Cherie, talagang
Shocked
namula
din.
yung face. Sharon, do you know
Yung
what's the
pala,
meaning of what you're saying?
hindi
What does
niya
it
alam.
mean ba?
Hindi niya alam.
Look, she's pinching me. Time, hindi pwede to eh. Nangungurot. Teka, nababawasan yung air.
Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi niya matitiis yan eh.
Hindi. Tsaka isa pa, to si Sharon, akala natin, di ba, dalaga na, all woman. Hindi pa
Kala niya
rin.
lang.
Kala namin, wow, nag-jetta. Wow, sexy talagang. Swaxy. Yung pala, nag-Darna costume. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Darnang nakatuwalya. Tuwing nag-shooting naka-Darna. Darna! Pagkat, takbo kagad sa silya. Tuwalya ko. Nakabalot yung legs. Nagmumukhang Darnang lumpia. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Darnang mukhang lumpia. Dahil may towel. Pero pag wala yung towel, sige na nga, swaxy na rin. I'm going to fall off my chair na ano po
Pero wag ka, meron din alam kalokohan si Shawi. Actually, pagkasama lang kaming dalawa ni Dina. Si Dina nagko-corrupt sa aming dalawa eh.
Bakit ako? Hoy, my God.
Ay,
Ako
ang
ang
totoo
pinaka
niyan.
good influence. Ikaw ang bad influence, di ba?
Hindi, nakikisama lang ako.
Wait, we're roasting ourselves. We're supposed to roast her.
Actually nga, pinakamalakas uminom sa amin si Shawi eh.
Yeah. Si
Eh,
Sharon?
syempre, hindi naman maalis yung nagpa-party tayo when we get
Oh.
together. Lalo nung ginagawa nung sana wala nang wakas. Every time we celebrate, we get together. Huwag ka mag-alala. We get together and we start drinking. Aba, hindi naman syempre pwedeng wala namang isang white wine dyan or two, di ba? So we tell her, Sharon, syempre alam namin hindi talaga umiinom si Sharon. Sige na, Sharon, you join us naman for one drink. Aba, ganado.
Mamaya, ano
Syempre.
nangyari? namula na yung buong mukha.
Oo, sabi
Sharon,
namin,
what
teka
happened to
muna.
you?
Nakailang
There she goes.
wine ka na ba?
Teka muna, nambabato na to, ha?
Hindi pa
Sobra na.
tapos.
But you know what? One thing nice with Sharon, it's so easy to make friends with her.
Yeah.
Bigyan mo lang ng isang siomay, kaibigan mo na. The next time she sees you, she goes, "Hey!"
Actually, sa shooting, di ba, Tina? Kala mo siya yung naglilihi eh.
Yeah.
Siya nagpapabili ng siomay
May
lagi.
siomay. And hilaw na mangga and bagoong.
Kaya pinapanood ko na siya, okay na, busog na ako.
And then,
Kontento na
pag
yung
ikaw yung
paglilihi
nagbigay
ko.
ng siomay nga, the next time nakaganon na siya.
Ay, alis na kami! Ikaw talaga, Joey Consentidor. Teka muna, walang ganyanan. What are friends for?
Yeah.
Sabi kasi
Anyway.
walang tigil pag kami dalawa eh.
Oo nga eh. Marami pa kami, Sharon. Napipikong ka na ba? Come on,
Meron pa
baby.
ba kaming oras? Marami pang in-store.
Ako masasabi ko lang.
Yeah. Sharon,
Yan na lang ang pukpukin mo.
pero alam mo, Sharon, I believe you're really a comet. You know why? Sa lahat ng mga artista.
comet?
Yeah.
Aha.
Kumbaga, Hailey's comet, ito Sharon's comet. Kasi,
Syung lang ng
sa lahat ng mga artista, she was the one who got the Best Actress Award at a very young age. Siyang unang-una nagkaroon ng award na yon. Among all the superstars, she became a superstar at the shortest time. Yung talagang sandali lang, marami na siyang millions and millions of fans. Talagang she's so lovable, kahit na nagpa-adaptable face ka na naman. Talagang she's so nice and lovable. People love her. And I wish for you, Sharon, for your birthday, that more and more people will love you and that you may maintain your career and even be more popular and reap more awards.
No doubt about
I
that.
wish all the
No
best
doubt.
for you. Mabuti.
Actually, what can you tell a person who practically has everything in life? Gaya ng sinabi ni Dina, she's practically said everything, no? Pero she's really an inspiration to many of us dahil hindi lang dahil sa nakamit na niya lahat, she hasn't stopped being determined to get more what life can offer, and she deserves all the happiness in the world. She's
Most
one
of all,
good friend and
Most of all,
one great woman.
Sharon is very generous in everything, may it be material or let's say abstract things, love,
Right.
attention. Talagang she's there. She's always there for you.